Hey guys, this is Savita Chatterjee. Welcome to Fangirl Stories. I hope you all are doing good, and today I'm up with a new recommendation of a book for you all, and that is Lollipops to Cigarette by Abhishek Bhattacharya. Okay, so till now I recommended many books like self-help or like love stories or poetries, but this is somewhat of life story of a protagonist, Abhinav. We can call him Abhi, and he had shown a lifestyle of nearly or relatable to almost everyone's life story. A boy who resides in India, a typical boy, and he was a bong boy in that story. We could relate ourselves with the story of the protagonist, as author has described his childhood from where the lollipop was tangled over his lips and when it got replaced by cigarettes in his adulthood. And he had started his journey when he used to go schools. Like there were many first and last in the story. Like very first day of school where he actually cried to just leave his mom or dad, and to the very last day of school when he was crying that he is going to leave his school now, the very first when he enters the college, and the very last when he leaves the college. The same with his career, where he tried to discover his own career or his field where he is going to earn, or where he's for which field he's going to survive his whole life. So that was a very commendable read, because it was very rough, or I can say unusual from usually love stories or poetry books. So I'll highly recommend this book to you all, so that you'll all recollect your memories of like college life, those chit chats in our canteen, or like many more. We all have so much of memories when we were in college or like school, and the very first when we start start our career, or like findings for our career. So this was a story which we through which we can relate our life stories, and this was like almost in 200 pages. Author has described his whole life story, or I can say a normal life story of a boy or a girl. So if you're gonna read it, you're gonna highly relate yourself with the book and the protagonist. So I'll highly recommend this book to you all. So just go and grab your copies, have a look to the story, and I know you're gonna enjoy it. So thank you so much love. Hey fam, this is Savita Chatterjee. Welcome to Fangirl Stories. Today we're gonna have author's interview with Abhishek Bhattacharya for his book Lollipops to Cigarettes. I'll just ask some questions and he'll be sharing answers for them. Let's get started.
Hi, this is Abhishek. Well, I describe myself as a very ordinary man and partly overweight also, as you can see from my features. I do have a moderately successful corporate career. In the last 20 years, I have worked with big brands such as Coke and Pepsi, and currently with a very big retail chain based out of Bombay. As far as my hobbies are concerned, as my interests are concerned, I have got 3 W's in my life, right? The first one is, of course, writing. And this is my first venture into writing, and this is my first book. Although I have written a lot of poetry right throughout my youth, this is my first published book. The second W is a bit dicey. It's about whiskey. Yeah, I love tasting whiskey across the world. And that brings me to the third W. I am a globetrotter, and wanderlust, or the lust for travel, is my third W. I have traveled across more than 35 countries in the last 45 years, and I want to touch 100 before I die. In this book, there's a protagonist called Abhinav Bhattacharya. It is about his growing up years. Abhinav grows up from a kid where he used to have lollipops, walk to his school with his father. From the time when he actually became an adult, he came into his first job. It talks about the loves of his life. It talks about his detachments in life. It talks about how he felt. So it's a very interesting book. It's based on 2 cities, Calcutta and Bombay. So especially people from these 2 cities would actually love it the most. But actually any Indian would love it a lot, because everybody has their own childhood memories. This book, I can guarantee to the reader that it will evoke nostalgia. It will take the readers back to their childhood and to their college days. Why this book? That's a lovely question. Well, when I started writing, I felt that there are a lot of topics I could have write on, especially the corporate topics, the logistics and supply chain that I've been working on. But I felt that, that will be just another journal on the shelf, which is already written by so many learned people. So I kept aside that thought. I could have wrote any other fiction, a love story or something like that. But I chose a very, very interesting topic. It's about a life story of the protagonist. If you read the title of the book meticulously, you will see Lollipops to Cigarette. It talks about the journey of anybody from the childhood where we dangle lollipops in our lips to youth where that lollipop is transformed into cigarettes. So it's a very common story of any ordinary man who grew up in India can relate to it. It's about the journey from childhood to adulthood. That's the gist of the book. I have been conceptualizing that book for more than 2 years, but due to my corporate responsibilities, I could not take up the pen and paper. Thanks to COVID, it gave me a lot of time out of my travel. As I said, I do a lot of personal travel and also business travels. So a lot of time was saved when I was sitting at home for almost 7 to 8 months. So I utilized this time to actually outline, formulate the book, write the book, edit the book, and then finally get it published. Well, all the chapters are close to my heart. In fact, in this book, 50% of the book is my own story. It is the truth, while as 50% is fiction. I definitely won't disclose which 50% is actually original story. I would love the readers to guess that. But the chapter number 4 in particular, it has a very interesting name also, Look into the Ladies' Loo. This is my favorite chapter. This is the chapter when Abhinav gets caught peeking into a ladies' loo. He is 13 years old and he has a lot of interest in what exactly happens in a ladies' loo, how it is different from men's loo. So he ventures into that kind of an adventure and gets caught. However, the person who saw him actually did not fully register him, right? But a whole class of his friends, which is class 8, he was in class 8 at that time, actually knew that it was Abhinav but did not disclose his name to the principal, right? So this is the book which talks about childhood friendship. Many people cherish friendship which comes from the school even when they grow up. This chapter is exactly about that. Also, this chapter has 3 interesting life lessons that any of the readers can relate to. This particular chapter, Look into the Ladies' Loo, is my favorite chapter in the book. Lastly, thanks to all the readers who have been watching this video. I would love to write more and also like to hear from you guys over Amazon or any other feedback process that you want to give me. I have also given my email ID in the book. Do write to me as to what you liked about the book and what you did not like. That would give me a lot of motivation to complete the sequel of this book, which is known as Cigarettes to Toothpicks. That's about another journey from youthfulness to a middle-aged man. Love to see you guys more of this.